kidding. I don't think it's a Friday night. Who would be watching anyways? No one. Say there's no one watching. So you're safe. Oh, we are in Huntington, and there are ribs again. Ribs. Nick. Hey, Daryl. And we're eating ribs, and yeah, we just finished this little salad, and it's a really nice place. What is this place called?
Old Crow.
What?
The Old Crow.
The Old Crow. Hey, Jonathan. Hey, guys, look. Oh, Jim. Hey, Jim. Are you joining us tomorrow? Let me know. Look, I got really into these temporary tattoos. So I got one right here, and then one on my boob. Jim, come join us. Go biking with us at the beach.
Come down tonight, Jim.
Jim, why don't you come down tonight? Chill out with us. Jonathan, why aren't you having fun in Vegas? Why are you watching me? Go have fun. This place is very nice outside. Look at this. Look at the flame. Join ribs. Hey, Dan. Well, I'm just gonna go back to the ribs. Old Crow where? It's in Huntington Beach. It's but here's the thing, the margarita has whiskey. It doesn't taste like margarita, and it's too sweet. I don't like it. But we're gonna have to drink it because we bought it. It's like $13, right? $12 for this. Anyway, with Huntington Beach, what do you expect? Oh well, I'm gonna go back to eating. So bye Brian, bye Carlos, bye Dan. Have a great day. Oh, actually, if you don't have GroupConvert, go get GroupConvert.com. Alright? For those of you who need to collect leads from your Facebook group. I made a latest update where you can pull leads automatically on autopilot. So it auto approves from the Facebook level. So get GroupConvert. Yeah. Oh, Daryl. Yeah, I'm down in Huntington Beach. But I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my meal. And if you don't have GroupConvert, go get GroupConvert. Hi, Spencer. Hey, Spencer. How are you?
There's another sauce in the green that's really good with the pasta. Love it.
Hi.
Surprise. I like this guy.
Bye. Can't see. It seems like we are gonna get out of here soon. But that chair was interesting. What an interesting experience. And also, if you don't have GroupConvert, go get GroupConvert. Yeah!
Nice beach day.
Yeah! Super nice. I want to show you guys the flowers on the side. Look at that. Super nice day today. You know, I was thinking recently I changed my Facebook side thing to like, oh, I help people start small with simple softwares in order to make it big. But you know, I changed it back. Changed it back to I help adventure seekers create passive income online. Ooh, what is this? What are we doing now? Might get lunch. I help adventure seekers create more adventures for themselves through passive income. I think that sounds a little bit better. It is Newport Beach. You're correct, Asian Yang. You are correct. This is Newport Beach. Because I think it's valuable to be location independent, specifically for the chance to have more adventures in your life. Let me know if you guys agree with this. Yeah, Doug. Hey, Doug.
Hi, Doug.
They say hi, Doug. And there's Nick. No hands, Ma. Look, no hands. I can't do that yet. Ah! So yeah, that's what I want to do. I want to help adventure seekers have more adventures in their lives by creating passive income. Look at this bunch of dogs. By creating passive income, by making monthly recurring income online through simple softwares. Be careful while writing and chatting. Thanks. Hey, Rasco. So, Nick says he's lost. Are you lost? Okay.
Are we anywhere near Sidecar Donuts?
No.
Getting hungry.
No. That's pretty far, really.
Okay.
We can go to the donuttery later.
What's the donuttery?
Or you get the blueberry donuts then.
Yeah.
Let's go. Where is that?
So they're famous now.
They are?
Yeah, there was a homeless guy in there doing something like that he shouldn't have been doing, and the owner beat him up.
What?
The owner?
Yeah, there was a homeless guy in there that was doing something, and then this homeless guy, he like, I'm guessing he got kicked out. Like, get out of here. And as he was leaving, he was breaking shit,
Yeah.
and the owner came out and like pushed him around, slapping him around. It's all over the Huntington Beach page.
Wow. So is it bad for the owner?
No, it'll be good for the owner.
Okay. Maybe publicity good? Okay.
Well, no, because everybody in Huntington is really sick of the homeless problem.
Oh, okay.
So everybody is looking at this guy as a hero.
Yeah, okay.
You gotta just beat some homeless people and then
Yeah.
lesson of the day.
Well,
You just
it's the reason
gotta-
why. You know, like the guy was obviously like disrespecting him in his business, and a lot of people aren't standing up for it. They're just kind of letting things happen.
They're afraid to.
And I mean, whatever. Like, there's a serious issue, and the government's not doing anything about it.
Lesson of the day. You gotta beat up some. You gotta beat up some disrespectful homeless people, not the respectful ones, and then your business will boom. Ooh, wow! Look at this view. Wow! Wow! Look at this, you guys. So nice. Oh my God! Where? What free solo? No more road. Wow.
Hey, you want to come over here?
Wait, are we watching somewhere now?
Yeah, we can watch the end.
Don't I
If
have?
you want to.
Don't I have a lock?
I have
You
a
do,
lock.
but there's no key.
Okay.
I have a lock.
Let me
So
pull
I'll
over.
lock. I want to lock up with yours because it's on my bike.
Yeah.
I'll lock up with
I'm weird like that.
yeah.
Here.
So actually, you don't have to go. Let's just go. We'll go on the edge. I got it.
We're gonna walk to. I don't know where. Over there? Wow!
Not sure if this actually fit.
Yeah.
Trouble.
No alcoholic beverage.
Bye, guys. Oh,
Like a glove.
if you want to learn how to create a passive income,
I don't think anybody's gonna steal anything, but
go to simpletoolsbigprofits.com. Christine! Yeah! We're biking in Newport Beach. And there's Uli and Nick. Look how beautiful it is. Well, it's kind of overcast, but it's nice. Hey, Usman. Oh, Usman, I still owe you that payment. It's the weekend for me. Yeah, it's really nice right now. Biking, my bike. Not really my bike, borrowing a bike. Hey, Dave. Look at this. Look at the ocean, you guys. Hey, Frank. Looks like Newport. It is Newport. It's Newport Beach. Newport Beach. Biking at Newport Beach. Biking's super slow because we're enjoying the view. Wonder if I can flip the camera around so you guys can see. Come ride with me. Let's ride away. Dun, 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 dun. Whoa. Whoop. Whoop. Come ride with me. Let's ride it right away. Come with me. Hey. Cycling live and reading posts. Break. Look how nice it is. It's definitely a beach day for a lot of these beach goers. See? Right now we're riding through the parking lot. I used to, riding like this reminds me of when I just feel carefree renting a bike and riding around. It's kind of overcast skies, so it's not that great. Ooh, look at this Escalade. We might have lunch here. Hey, Bruce. Hey, Bruce. Okay, catch you later. If you guys don't have GroupConvert, you should get GroupConvert by now. Just saying. Just saying. Bye.
I'm down. I mean, you know,
You still borrowing my skis though?
what?
Barbecue.
I have skis, remember, that I got and I can't
Yum.
use because I broke my ankle.
Can I have some?
Yeah.
I'm recording.
Yeah, I just remember last year
I bought skis. Oh,
my skis.
yeah, I did.
This is
I have
Jim.
skis. Hi.
Jamie.
Group link is spyware.
You don't even know what it's called. I'm glad you said Group Link. I have nothing to do with Group Link.
Gyms, really easy. You have a grade. The grades of the rough faces, right?
Hey Tony, how is life? I'm at a barbecue. How's life, Tony? Hey Frank again.
There's pizza?
So we're barbecuing some mushrooms.
Wait, is the what's on the pizza?
Oh, you can.
What do you mean?
Alright, I'm gonna grab some and not really just.
What's on the pizza though? What do you mean the lake?
So today is very cool because we went biking in the morning and now we're having a barbecue. There's a bunch of food. Oh, you're going to Vegas. Cool. Is it for that VidCon thing? Here's all the food. I made this. This is vegan cheese. Oh. Looks very good. Yeah.
You mean like from 1 through 5? Or seem like a B6.
Alright, Tony, I'm gonna go and eat some mushrooms. Bye. Hey guys, look! Blink 182. Blink 182 is at the beach. I'm wearing a poncho. Poncho life.
Like I said, I was driving by yesterday and they were building this. I saw them doing this part. Yeah, this is gonna cost me $5.
Wait, somebody give him a phone.
Oh no, I was good. I can hear you guys' phone.
Hey, we're gonna take a group photo.
Oi! No iPhone. Say that here. This is from Russia. This is a
weird.
You guys want all that on the side too?
Blink 182 maybe.
Can I have it?
Come on, guys.
Hey! Group photo.
I didn't know we were doing.
Come on.
Doing it now.
I liked it. It was good.
All right, ready? 1, 2.
3, 4, and 5, and 6.
And 19 and 20.
All the numbers.
21 and 22.
One more, guys.
Thank you.
Only one of those is good.
We'll return the favor. Wearing a poncho.
This way.
Blink 182
I don't know.
is gonna go on. They're gonna go on here. Huntington Beach.
I don't even care. Like, just hang out.
Switch.
Listen to a couple Blink songs and go back.
Yeah.
Definitely. The game plan. I'm here to see the band. So.
That's,
They're all inside. So.
Nice.
that's how short this is.
If you could send that.
Yeah.
Did you get your
The short
pick it
girlfriend
up?
this morning.
No, you probably
Wow.
I was talking about it and I look at her, I'm like, are you like, this is how you get to your top shelf?
You're a tall person. You cannot relate.
I think, without point, Kim, I don't have this problem. I know what you're complaining about. Yeah, like when you have to like, she like literally had to like heel hook and mantle to get onto it, and the whole time I'm on the phone with the client being like, just
Get a
go
stool.
down higher shelves. This is how you.
Get a stool.
She had stuff up on the higher shelf. She needed to like,
Yeah. At Dana Point, and you could do like you said 150 for VIP, but at different levels. The VIP was like you had your own area. Yeah. You had like you got to go to the beer fest for free.
Oh, hey, Randy.
Cool. So, yeah, I'm old
Yeah,
enough.
no problem.
Yeah.
We are at
It's not about how much
Huntington State Beach.
Because this is tonight sold out here.
And they're doing tomorrow night too, right?
Right. Tomorrow night the band lineup is not sold out.
Sunday night, Saturday nights. You want to do your?
My poncho.
Let's walk back down a little.
Is it live?
Yeah,
Is it working?
yeah. It's working now. Just showing them my poncho. You should show
Step
them
poncho.
here.
2 legs.
I know.
Wait, I'm gonna picture with Nick.
Oh, this is not a picture. This is live. But
Happy 40th birthday, Uli. Wait, were you doing a picture? I thought you wanted a picture.
She's doing the thingy.
Oh, you wanted to go on live.
I didn't know if
Did you listen to in high school if you were listening to Blink-182?
yeah, hello.
Maybe he's too young.
who's too young to be listening to Blink 182 in high school.
He was listening to Salt and Pepper.
We didn't have that.
That was older.
R&B. Minnesota, don't you know?
Yeah.
Hey, Larry. Hey, Marina.
Yoga was something new.
Hey, Packy. Wave, wave.
Yeah, yoga just started. Like, no, it didn't. It did in my town.
You're here now, dude. You're here now.
Anybody know what that is? The first thing?
It looks like a person. Bunny.
It's a rabbit? Okay.
It looks like a rabbit.
Okay, I can see it.
Are you living?
Yeah.
Hey.
There. Say
Hey.
hello. Tag.
I guess we should walk
I
back.
tag you. They recognize who you are.
Do you know who I am from the climbing photos? That's
Yeah.
why. I'm going to Mexico.
Yeah.
Hey,
Hey.
Easy cops. That's the very stuff to live.
I have a bunch here. Bachelor? Bachelor? What are the
I
Bachelor?
will belay her. I will not be climbing with them. I will be belaying.
She's like,
Poncho light. Poncho light. Poncho.
I just climb like this. So
I heard you,
one time I met Libby Santer at the women's speed record on the board. And she's just like, yeah, it's cool. I climbed the nose.
Oh yeah, if you liked that video, then you will love all the resources that I have over at kimcdang.com. That is KIMCDANG.com. There you will find all my courses, my extensions, all the offers that I have, as well as a lot of free resources if you are just getting started.